Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today, my Apple Pencil tip finally gave out. It finally broke and it's kinda rigid now. So I decided I needed to buy replacement Apple Pencil tips. These are actually one lead Apple Pencil tips. So I wanted to see how they worked. Let's jump in. Okay, so this is the packaging of the pencil tips. Nothing fancy. Let's open it on up. Okay. Okay, so I finally opened it on up, and here they are. So it has a little one lead logo on the back. And let's open them all up. Okay, so let's unsnap this. Okay, so there are the pencil tips. Let's pop one out. Let's look at it. Looks basically like another pencil tip. Let's take the old one off. You can see it's a little dirty. You may be able to see the nick right there. Couldn't really draw right with that nick. And let's put the new one on. Okay, so it looks good. So let's close this on up. And let's try drawing with it. And let's open up Procreate. Let's just start drawing. And it's drawing pretty good. Now let's try a pressure sensitivity. So there's some pressure, more pressure. Pressure sensitivity is actually really good. It seems pretty responsive already. So it's very responsive. It seems really nice. Okay, so we're in the Notes app. Let's switch it to our highlighter tool. Let's try tilt sensitivity. And let's see. Okay, so tilt sensitivity definitely works. So, I mean, this pencil tip seems really nice. I am not sure how they hold up yet, obviously, because I obviously just put it on. But maybe I'll make another secondary review about how they held up. But it shouldn't be a problem because I have 5 more pencil tips to choose from. So these should last a long time. So I'm really excited about this. I get to actually use my Apple Pencil again. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time.